So I hope that Hello guys, how is it vibing? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are gonna try some 90s inspired hairstyle. Basically I was scrolling through my YouTube feed and all these videos regarding 90s aesthetic, the kind of quick and easy 90s inspired hairstyles were popping up on my feed, and I thought why not try them and see how they look upon me. Some of them turned out to be total disasters, whereas the others were very good and they look really great on me. I am definitely gonna wear them after quarantine. So you guys check it out and see if it suits you or not. And let me know in the comment section if you try them out. Subscribe to my channel. Without much further ado, let's get into the video. So for the first hairstyle, you will need a scarf, a headscarf or a bandana or any other scarf will do. You have to fold the scarf diagonally so that it gets a triangular shape, and then start rolling from the base of your triangle to reach your desired length. Then take a scrunchie or a hairband and tie your hair into a neat ponytail. After I am done with the ponytail, I just take out few strands of hair from the front section so that it frames my face and also makes the hairstyle look more cute. Then I am securing the hair behind my ears with clips so that it is very nicely set and it sits very properly beneath the bandana and doesn't look very messed up when I pull off the hairband with which I am tying my hair. Now I am taking my bandana and very carefully tying it into a tight knot behind, making sure that the knot is below the ponytail obviously and not above it. Now do some required adjustment and then pull off the scrunchie or hairband, whatever you use for your ponytail, and you're good to go. So here is another very simple hairstyle. I remember doing this like all the time during my school days. The first thing that you have to do is a middle part or an off-center part as you like it, and then you will leave a few strands of your hair in the front so as to frame your face, and then you will take a section of your hair from the crown of your head and you will begin to twist it, and as you twist along you will keep on adding bits of hair to it, and after you have twisted it for some time you will secure it with bobby pin or hair clips at the back of your head, and that's it. Then you have to repeat the same process on the other side, making sure that you balance both and just try to make them look identical. And trust me when I say it is not as difficult as balancing your eyeliner. I like to call this hairstyle the crown hairstyle because it kinds of make a crown over your head, if that makes sense. You can also pancake your twist to make it look puffier if in case it lays flat. So this hairstyle is very 90s. What you have to do is first a side part, and then basically you have to tie a half pony, a high half pony rather I would say. And when you do that, you have to leave out a big chunk of hair in the front for later. Try making the pony as sleek as possible and then just secure it with a pretty looking hairband or scrunchie. Then take the chunk of your hair that you left out earlier and just pin it behind under your pony, of course, and just make it very sleek to give you that sleek 90s look. And that's it. So for this one again you have to do a middle part. Basically what we are doing over here is dividing our hair into 4 parts, and that's why I'm using so many clips on my hair. We are gonna take them off, don't worry at all. After you're done dividing your hair into 4 sections, what you have to do is twist each sections and just secure them with hairpins or bobby pins. I'm using these little pink cute hair clips just to make the hairstyle look more cute and quirky. On the front 2 sections, you can find them on Amazon or any other local stores. Then I'm very quickly repeating the same process on the other side. This has to be my favorite hairstyle among all. I mean, just look at it. With the brothers, boo, you know how we do. These are those 90s sleek hairbun looks which are quite trendy right now, and you must probably have seen them all over the internet. Just do a middle part, and by leaving few strands in the front, you just pull back all your hair and just tie it into a bun using a clutcher or a claw clip. Just make sure that the whole look is very sleek. You can also use hair gel to achieve the look. This hairstyle is very easy. What you have to do is just do a middle part, and again you have to leave some hair strands in the front to frame your face, and take a section of your hair and twist it all along the back, and then you have to secure it with a hair clip, and while you do so you just have to puff it a little bit to give it more volume. what to do now. You have to repeat the same process on the other side. I'm doing middle part in every hairstyle because I think it suits me. What you have to do over here is take a hair strand from the front and start braiding it. While you're braiding it, you will notice that it has begun to braid in the reverse direction from below. This will actually create a loop in the middle where they both meet, and you just have to flip your braid through it. And now you know what to do. Repeat the same process on the other side, and also you can add more braids if you want. I think this hairstyle didn't suit me that much because my hair are kind of wavy, and if I only had a straightener and straightened the downside of my braid, it would have looked much nicer. Also, I seriously need to stop using much and more with comparative form of adjectives. Grammar Nazis, please don't come at me. Also, I'm very surprised if you're watching this video till now because this is, I think, the longest video I've ever made. And please comment down the word unicorn if you're watching. So let's come back to the hairstyle. What we are doing over here is tying 3 ponies, 3 half ponies actually. And I don't know if this was okayish or a disaster hairstyle. Please let me know also if I look good in this or not.
So that's it for today, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please hit that thumbs up button. Also subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon to be notified every time I post. And please tell me in the comment section which hairstyle you like the most and which one you dislike the most. And you can also follow me on Instagram. This is my Instagram handle, and you can at least check it out. Even if you don't want to follow, please go and at least check my profile. I post there very frequently. And if you want me to make some certain kind of video, you can comment down below. I will definitely try to make them for you. And that's it for today. I hope that you have a nice day.
I've been waiting.